Hello everyone. So as per our previous analysis, we have seen the data was positive for Bank Nifty and Nifty was sideways. So same thing we have seen today. Nifty has opened gap up but it has not sustained. So in 5 minutes let's analyze this. So gap up had not sustained but later we have seen a very good spike. Later in the second half the market almost broke our CPR level and after that it has recovered. So Nifty given a closing of positive 27 points. So Bank Nifty was also traded in a positive range only, and this is what we were expecting for the Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty closed with 215 points positive. So let's begin the open interest of an big players and we'll see what they are planning for coming expiries. So we'll follow by FII's data first. In future index long they were having 67% long and 33% short. So today they have increased 1% long and reduced 1% short. Now they have 68% long and 32% short. It means they are bullish in futures. Whereas in option index call they were having a 4 lakh of call buying contract. Today they have unwinded 1.03 lakh of call buying. Still they are holding a 2.99 lakh. So let's assume 3 lakh of call buying contract. Whereas in put they were having a 4.31 of put buying contract. They have unwinded their put buying contract by 1,55,000 contract. Still they are holding 2.75 lakh of put buying. So here slight bullish we can see their positions in options, whereas they are still sitting positive in future index. And in cash market we have seen they have sold for 1,634 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have a 56% call buying, 44% call writing, 54% put buying, 46% put writing. Still the FII view is bullish only. Client are the retailers. In futures long they were having 43% long and 57% short. So today they have reduced the long by 1% and increased the short by 1%. They have 42% long and 58% short now. Option index call they were having a 4 lakh of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 1,08,000 contract. Still they are holding 2.97 lakh of call writing contract. Whereas in put they were having 7.28 lakh of put writing contract. Now they have unwinded put writing by 2 lakh contract. So they have 5.28 lakh of put writing. So here they are slight bullish in options, whereas in futures they are negative. And we have seen they have sold for 843 crores in the cash market. Option buying versus selling, they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 48% put buying and 52% put writing. Client don't have any view. Proprietor desk in future index long they were having 37% long and 63% short. So no changes, they are still holding the same positions of 37% long and 63% short. Option index call they were having only 2000 of call buying contract, and today we have seen they have made a fresh call writing of 3000 contract. In put they were having a 3 lakhs of put writing contract, so they have added put writing contract 49,000. So now they have 3.77 lakh of put writing contract. It means they are bullish in options and they are shorting in future index. So they are hedging their positions in F&O, and now they have a cash buying of 830 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 50-50 call buying, call writing, 46 put buying and 54% put writing. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty expiry will be on 19th September. We have seen call writing unwinding from 25,200 to 25,350, and this is a good sign for going long. And whereas we have seen a put writers sitting at 25,400 and traders are carry forwarding short straddle trades at 25,400 as well. So see, the data is sideways to slight positive only for Nifty. Bank Nifty expiry will be on 18th September. So we have seen huge call writing unwinding at 52,000, and this is a very good sign of going long. Very good put writing from 52,000 to 52,200. So Bank Nifty is preparing to go till 53,000 for this week. Because data is bullish for Bank Nifty, I believe the traders are thinking there will be a rate cut in US. It will be a 50 basis point. So the US will rally this week. That's why the Bank Nifty is showing some bullishness. Now let's begin the technical analysis. Before that, 1 minute on the global market. US VIX is high today. It has went 5% up and it is at 17.54. It means there is a fear in the US, that is due to the second attempt of the assassination of Donald Trump. So that has lead to increase the VIX. VIX actually it is a fear index. So when it is increasing, the market tend to fall or tend to rise. That depends on the situation. Dow is trading positive by 120 points, whereas Nasdaq is negative by 154 points. Let's come to our market. In one day chart pattern, we have seen a doji candle today, and it is taking lot of effort to break this high of 25,400, and I believe the market will be stuck in this range for a couple of days, and it is sideways only. The data is positive but it is sideways. We don't have any short positions here, and we should not short the Nifty. So Bank Nifty in one day chart pattern, it has given a very good bullish candle closing, and also the data is positive only, so we can think of going long in Bank Nifty, and it's better not to trade in Nifty because it is sideways, so we can think of going long in Bank Nifty. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.